Good morning. Happy Thursday. It's about 8:40, 8:45. I'm taking Cash to her little spa day. That's what we call it, but she gets a bath and her nails trimmed. They don't cut her hair or anything, but bath and nails trimmed. And that's what she's doing today. And then I'm going to run to the gym. There's one closer to where I drop her off. So we're going to go to the gym together. She's been quiet this whole time. Also, it's 50 degrees this morning. It was 81 yesterday. It's 50 and cloudy. What? What do you want to tell him? Tell him how excited you are. You going to see your friends? You going to see your friends? Yeah. So we're dropping her off and then we'll go to the gym. Tomorrow, Cash has to have a little procedure. She has a little skin tag. If I can get some videos or pictures, I'll insert them. But a little like skin tag on the side of her eye. And I thought she also had one on her lower lash line on the same eye. And I thought it's poking into her eye, like how annoying. But the vet said that sometimes, she said what it looked like and that it needed to be removed because it would only grow bigger and that they would test it to make sure it wasn't some sort of tumor or anything dangerous. So she's doing that tomorrow. And while she's under, they're going to go ahead and give her a good teeth cleaning. So I know she's going to feel good after that. But this is the first thing that she's had since, she's been fixed when we first adopted her. And that was it. And this is the first thing that she's had. So she's been lucky. She'll be 8. Yeah, she'll be 8 this year. So anyway, that's the plan. Let's drop her off and then go work out. We always go potty first. They have a little section here. She didn't go this morning at home, so we'll make sure she goes before we drop her off. Because I'm pretty sure they just put her in a crate until it's her turn. Oh, there she goes. I hope you can hear me because I have AirPods in. Today we're just walking on the treadmill and doing upper body. I did lower body earlier this week. We did a hot Pilates class. So today is just arms. And then maybe we'll get to a yoga class or like a hot yoga class. It just depends on Cash after her surgery. Y'all, this radio station, I wish I was recording when they said, she said, this woman got arrested for pulling an alligator out of her yoga pants. What? Okay, we're at Publix. Are you surprised? No, I didn't show you much at the gym. Actually, I only showed you like 10 seconds, if even, of me walking on the treadmill. I just don't like to film other people. I don't want people to do that to me. I don't want to do that to them. And plus I forgot my little, magnet, like phone holder. And so it was like kind of awkward trying to show things, but I just did the machines, like upper body. So I walked on the treadmill for 20 minutes and then I did upper body. And that's what I did. I ran to UPS. Candace accidentally left a package in my car that she needed to return. So I dropped that off for her. I went and got this. Remember when I was on a kick for those 100-calorie Starbucks coffees? I haven't done it in so long. In fact, I haven't done it this year because I had to go back through my notes and find the order so I could order it. And it was from 2023 was the last time that I'd opened it. So it's pretty good. I'll link it down below. It's 100-calorie coffee from Starbucks. And then I also got me a little order of the bacon egg bites. I haven't had these in forever either because Brian bought them from Costco where you eat them at home. And it wasn't it. Okay, it's not the same. And then I just couldn't eat them anymore after that. And that was back in like October. So I haven't had these in a while. They're much better from Starbucks. But this is pretty good. I wanted Yellowhammer, we know that, but I wasn't near a Yellowhammer. So we did that. So now we're going inside Publix because I was literally here yesterday with y'all, but it was last week's vlog for you. It was yesterday for me. I forgot trash bags. That was one of the main things I needed. And also I need to get something to cook for supper tonight. Brian said he wanted pasta. He works late today. It's the last day of the month. Nobody gets off early. Everybody works, what do they call it? Bell to bell, like open to close. Everybody does. He will get his pasta. You know, we used to have pasta in the house all the time, like no matter what. And it was always like, what do we want for supper? Oh, we don't really have anything. We always have noodles and sauce. And we don't eat pasta that much anymore. I don't know why. It's good. We just don't tend to grab it and eat it as often. Anyway, so we're going to get some pasta. We're going to get some trash bags. I'm gonna fix my hair. It's cold. I already told you that. It's only 55 degrees right now. Okay, I got it. Let's go. My favorite is this one. I don't know how to say it, but it's the spicy one. I like the roasted garlic too, but that's my favorite. And then noodles. Let's just get some, oh, I like the thin spaghetti. I guess I could get some ground beef to go in it while I'm here. Trash bags. I took a picture of the ones that we have at home because we've done this before and I can't ever remember if it's Glad or Hefty. It's definitely Glad, and I think it's, okay, let me go look back at my picture. Hang on. It's this one. The Fresh Clean Max Strength Force Flex. There we go. That's the haul. Oh, hello. It's me again in a different version of the Under Armour sweatshirt. I got the light blue one. The black one has like bleach stains and stuff on it, so I just wear it to like work out in and lounge around the house. I filmed my little bit of a video. I'll link it down below. By the time that you're watching this, it's already up. Cars look like they are so much closer to my car in this, like when I'm looking at y'all this way, anyway. Okay. I'm going to get Cash. She is ready. It's now 1:30. Oh, I was telling you about my video. I'll link it down below for you. It's an Anthropologie dupe. So I found 5 different looks on Anthropologie's website that I love and recreated them with pieces that I already own. So I'll link it down below for you. I'm eating me a Built Bar as a snack. I'm gonna chug this water and go get my dog. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Push it open. Good job. Do you need to go potty? Let's go potty. Let's try. Come on. Let's go to the potty spot. There we go. Go potty. I think she gets too excited. Come on, let's go potty. She gets so excited. I know. Sorry if you have dogs at home and that's loud. Let's roll her window down. There we go. She wouldn't go potty. She just gets so excited. So we'll go home. All right. I'm gonna end this because I don't want to make your dogs rowdy at home. Oh, I was just gonna show her on the bed because she looks so cute. Okay, let's go. I think it's cold out here. It's raining. Well, what do you think? Are you gonna go or no? You probably should. Yeah, you'll be okay. There she goes. Good morning from my face. I'm mid skincare. I've only washed my face. So it's about 7, if I had to guess, like 7:30. We have to drop her off before 8 this morning. I put away all her food and water and everything last night before we went to bed. You know, she couldn't eat after midnight. I hope that you can hear me. But we dropped her off before 8 this morning.
It's like she opened her doors.
Go ahead. Come on. Good morning. Right? Hello again. It's almost 1 o'clock. Probably 20 minutes ago, they called with an update. Surgery went great. She is fine. She went to sleep fine. She woke up fine. She wasn't mean. You never know how they're going to act. But no, she said that the vet said her eyes, like she was looking around like she was a little bit nervous, but everything went fine. They cleaned her teeth. They took the little skin tag off, and then they took the one in her lower lid line off. She'll have a cone for 5 days. She needs to take medicine every single night for 7 days, like pain medicine. And then we go back in 10 days to just check up. She said the stitches, she's not taking them out, they're dissolvable, but just to check to make sure everything's going as planned. We can't pick her up until after 3 p.m. So I think we're going to go get some lunch. Maybe Firehouse. Sounds like a good plan, but I'm just giving you an update. I was nervous all morning. Did I cry when we got out of the vet's office? A little bit. But she did good. So I'll see you when we pick her up. Hi! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. She needs a cone. Yeah. So I guess we'll just have to see how she does about getting the soft one. Well, they did say too, as long as we're watching her, she don't have to wear it. Brian's home with Cash. Someone that was waiting in line behind us at the vet's office said that PetSmart sells soft cones because she has to wear that until her appointment coming up in a couple weeks, like a follow-up. And so I want her to be comfortable. Okay, soft cones. These are leashes. That's not really what we're looking for. Oh my gosh, but wait a minute. These are little shoes. Okay, no, that's not what we need. And then we're at food. Okay, maybe I should ask. Found them. I needed a little bit of help, but I found them. So we're gonna go with one of these. I have the large, but the one on her neck right now, Brian says, is 20 centimeters, but it's a lot tighter because it's one like this. So I'm gonna buy the large, but I'm also gonna buy a medium just in case, and then I can just bring it back because I don't want to have to come back to get one. So we're gonna do the medium and the large, though I think the large is probably more like her speed. They also have these that are like calming. Oh, we don't need that. Wound cream. And then I see this one called the Caring Collar with a calming disc. Okay, no. She's happy-go-lucky right now, so I think she's fine. See, they come really big. Soft e-collar for dogs. But she doesn't need, the way they described it was, this is okay for her because it's her face, whereas if she had just gotten spayed or something, this wouldn't work because she can still reach her lower parts. So, yes, we're getting these two. Oh, we're staying outside. They said as long as we're home watching her, she don't have to wear the little cone thing.
She needs to be a little groggy and stuff and out of it from the stuff,
Yeah.
you know.
She's like, what are we doing out here? You don't gotta go potty? No, you gotta leave it alone. No, ma'am. She's hadn't had this on all day. Oh, okay, it's not tight enough. Hold on, let me regroup. Hold on. I know. It's not a toy. No, be careful. Good. No. Good job. Okay. No, you gotta leave it on, ma'am. I think we need to blow up the medium size. I think the large is just too big. Okay, we're gonna have to wear it. I know. Get your little ears. Look at that. There we go. You're gonna have to wear it. I don't like it. No, Cash. Come on. Good job. Okay. Hold on. Let me get it. There we go. Okay. That's not a toy. I gotta return it, ma'am. If you're not gonna, no, you're not gonna use it. We're taking it back. Here's the difference in size, by the way. I really want her to wear this one, but it's like it's not tight enough around her neck. Because I feel like this is not really doing too much. Her eye looks really good, though. You're not going to wear it, huh? I know. It's okay. We'll figure it out. Hi, hello. How are you? Happy Wednesday. It is so nice and bright outside. It's probably 70 degrees. What is that? What is happening there? I've already been up this morning working. I'm actually editing. Candace is on her way over. I'm not sure what we're getting up to today other than we're having a little like brainstorming type meeting for some things. So that should be fun. We'll get coffee, lunch, that kind of thing. But I think we're filming that for something else. I'm not going to include it here. Let's do a quick little Cash update. She's doing incredible. I've stayed home most days all day just to make sure that she's okay. Her eye looks great. There's no issues. I don't want to jinx it, so there's no issues. She goes back on Tuesday next week. Yes, Tuesday next week, just for a little update to check the stitches. Did I already tell you they won't remove them, but they just want to check them? So yeah, she's doing really good and I'm so happy. I'm editing the video. I'm popping in to tell you, the vet's office just called me and said that Cash's little growth that they removed and tested is benign. So yay, I'm so happy. I thought that would be a good way to wrap this video up, that she's healthy, she's all good, she's healing so well, and that's it. I'm just happy and I wanted to tell you. I hope that you enjoyed this week's vlog. I'm gonna start a new one if Candace wants me to film what we're doing today for next week. That way I can have enough time to like properly edit it, like give it the time it deserves. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.